laugh, cry, laugh. We all laugh at his funny stories. I like to laugh with my friends. He made me laugh so hard. Cry. She was so sad, she began to cry. The baby started to cry loudly. Don't cry over spilled milk. Cold, hot, cold. The weather is cold and windy. I'd like a glass of cold water. Please close the window. It's getting cold in here. Hot. The coffee is too hot to drink. The sun is very hot today. I took a hot bath to relax. Up. Down. Example. Up. He walked up the stairs. The sun is coming up. Let's go up the hill. Down. The ball rolled down the street. I fell down and hurt my knee. The elevator is going down. Happy. Sad. Happy. I am happy to see you. The kids were happy to play outside. She looked very happy on her birthday. Sad. It's a sad day for everyone. The sad movie made me cry. He felt sad when his friend moved away. Fast. Slow. Fast. The car drove too fast. A cheetah is a very fast runner. He finished the test fast. Slow. A snail is a slow creature. Please drive slow in this neighborhood. The computer is running very slow today. Light. Dark. Example. Light. The room is full of light. I need a light jacket for the evening. The box was surprisingly light. Dark. The cave was very dark. It gets dark early in the winter. I like wearing dark colors. On. Off. Example. On. The book is on the table. Please turn the TV on. He put his hat on his head. Off. The cat jumped off the chair. Please turn the light off. He took his shoes off. In. Out. Example. In. The keys are in my pocket. Please come in and sit down. He lives in London. Out. The cat went out the door. Let's eat out tonight. The students ran out of the classroom. Empty. Full. Empty. I am so hungry. My stomach feels empty. The theater was almost empty. The box is empty. Full. The bus was full of people. The bottle is full of water. My stomach is full after dinner. Big. Small. Big. That is a very big dog. He lives in a big house. The company made a big profit this year. Small. I have a small apartment. She writes in a small notebook. The baby's feet are so small. New. Old. Example. New. I have a new pair of shoes. She bought a new car. This is a new idea. Old. This computer is very old. He lives in an old house. My grandmother has an old rocking chair. Wet. Dry. Wet. My clothes are wet from the rain. The dog shook himself, making everything wet. Don't sit on that bench. It's still wet. Dry. The towel is completely dry. I hung the clothes on the line to make them dry. The ground is very dry after the long summer. Near. Far. Near. The store is very near my house. Please stand near me. I live near the beach. Far. The moon is very far away. How far is it to the city? He traveled to a far country. Day. Night. Example. Day. It was a beautiful, sunny day. The sun shines during the day. We worked all day long. Night. The stars come out at night. I can't sleep at night. It was a cold night. Loud. Quiet. Loud. The music was too loud. I heard a loud crash from the kitchen. Her voice is very loud. Quiet. The library is a quiet place. I enjoy a quiet evening at home. Please be quiet while the baby is sleeping. Poor. Rich. Poor. He was a poor man who worked hard. It is a very poor country. The farmer had a poor harvest this year. Rich. He became rich after winning the lottery. The country is rich in natural resources. She wore a beautiful, rich dress. Open. Closed. Open. The store is open until 9 p.m. Please open the door. The window was open just a little. Closed. I closed the book. The shop was closed for the holiday. The bank is closed on Sundays. Hard. Soft. Hard. The rock is very hard. I worked hard on my project. The bed was too hard for me. Soft. The pillow is very soft. I love the feel of a soft blanket. The kitten's fur is so soft. High. Low. High. The mountain is very high. Birds fly high in the sky. She jumped high over the fence. Low. We have a low supply of food. The fence is too low to keep the dog in. The sun is low in the sky. Right. Wrong. Right. That is the right answer. You were right about the time. Turn right at the next corner. Wrong. I gave the wrong address. That is the wrong way to do it. My watch is a few minutes wrong. Buy. Sell. Buy. I want to buy a new phone. She went to the store to buy some milk. We will buy a house next year. Sell. He wants to sell his old car. The company will sell its products online. They plan to sell the house soon. Push. Pull. Push. You have to push the door to open it. He had to push the car to get it started. Don't push me. Pull. The dog tried to pull on its leash. Pull the rope to ring the bell. She had to pull the heavy box. Long. Short. Long. She has very long hair. The journey was a long one. We took a long walk in the park. Short. He is wearing a short sleeve shirt. I have a short time to finish this. The movie was quite short. Start. Finish. Start. Let's start the game now. I need to start my homework. The race will start at noon. Finish. I will finish my dinner and then go. Did you finish the book? He wants to finish his degree this year. Sweet. Bitter. Sweet. The tea tasted very sweet. I love sweet foods like cake and candy. The mango was incredibly sweet. Bitter. The medicine had a bitter taste. The coffee was strong and bitter. The experience left a bitter feeling. Easy. Difficult. Easy. The test was very easy. It's an easy way to solve the problem. The instructions were easy to follow. Difficult. The math problem was too difficult for me. It is difficult to learn a new language. The weather made the climb very difficult. First. Last. First. He was the first person to arrive. The first chapter of the book is my favorite. Today is my first day at the new job. Last. The last person in line will get a prize. That's the last cookie in the jar. We saw the last show of the night. Deep. Shallow. Deep. The lake is very deep in the middle. He took a deep breath. The ocean has a deep blue color. Shallow. The water here is very shallow. We can stand up in the shallow part of the pool. The plate was too shallow for the soup. Inside. Outside. Inside. It's raining, so let's play inside. The cat is inside the box. I found the keys inside the drawer. Outside. It's a beautiful day to be outside. The children are playing outside. There is a chair outside the door. Alive. Dead. Alive. Is the plant still alive? The fish is still alive in the water. The cat was alive and well. Dead. The flowers in the vase are dead. He found a dead bird on the path. The old tree is completely dead. Stand. Sit. Stand. Please stand up when you speak. We had to stand in a long line. Don't just stand there, help me. Sit. He likes to sit on the porch. Please sit down and relax. They had to sit on the floor. Strong. Weak. Strong. He is a very strong man. The rope was very strong. She has a strong personality. Weak. The old man's voice was weak. The bridge was too weak to hold the car. I felt weak after the fever. Brave. Cowardly. Brave. The brave knight saved the kingdom. It was a brave decision to speak up. She was very brave during her illness. Cowardly. The cowardly soldier ran away from the fight. Don't be so cowardly. Try it. He made a cowardly decision not to help. Above. Below. Above. The lamp hangs above the table. The clouds are above us. The temperature is above freezing. Below. He found a note hidden below the pillow. The basement is below the first floor. It is 10 degrees below zero. Beautiful. Ugly. Beautiful. She wore a beautiful dress to the party. The sunset was truly beautiful. It was a beautiful day for a walk. Ugly. The old building was an ugly sight. He made an ugly face to scare the children. I had an ugly disagreement with my friend. Win. Lose. Win. Our team will win the championship. You have to play well to win. I hope you win the game. Lose. Hope we don't lose the game. It's not fun to lose. He is careful not to lose his keys. Tidy. Messy. Tidy. Please keep your room tidy. He is a very tidy person. The house was always neat and tidy. Messy. Your desk is very messy. The artist's studio was a messy place. Her hair was a little messy from the wind. Front. Back. Front. The teacher stood at the front of the class. The car has a dent in the front. He sat in the front row. Back. I have a garden in the back of my house. There is a letter on the back of the page. She waited for me at the back of the line. Accept. Refuse. Accept. I accept your apology. She was happy to accept the job offer. He decided to accept the gift. Refuse. I refuse to believe that story. They refuse to help us. He will refuse to answer the question. Clean. Dirty. Clean. Please put the clean dishes away. I like to keep my room clean. We need to wear clean clothes. Dirty. The clothes are too dirty to wear. The puppy has dirty paws. I need to wash these dirty dishes. Early. Late. Early. We woke up early to see the sunrise. She arrived early for her appointment. The flowers bloom early in the spring. Late. He stayed up late to finish his work. I was late for the meeting. The bus is always late. Kind. Cruel. Kind. It was very kind of you to visit. She is a kind person who always helps others. The doctor had a kind and reassuring voice. Cruel. It was a cruel thing to say. He was known for his cruel jokes. The animal suffered a cruel fate. Remember. Forget. Remember. Do you remember where you put the keys? I'll never remember all these dates. Please remember to call me later. Forget. I always forget people's names. Don't forget your passport. He will forget the bad experience over time. Narrow. Wide. Narrow. The bridge is very narrow. They walk down a narrow street. The path was too narrow for two people.
Wide.
The river is a kilometer wide. He has a wide smile. The new road is much wide than the old one. Give. Take. Give. Please give me a glass of water. I give my old clothes to charity. She decided to give him a chance. Take. He will take the book from the shelf. I need to take a break. Can you take this package to the post office?